Yes, ready for dictation. Start. If such employees fired by any company without implementing rules, if they didn't work within fair and proper way, and if any employee didn't fear by the charge sheets, then the companies annul the promotion of those employees and decrease their annual increment stop whenever a serviceman files an application to fill their ACR by his field officer and seek the relief for his service and the post allotted to him, and later he is filed the VRS voluntary retirement from service letter stop. In the 4 years, the government has not been shown dissent with the employees for the latter pension scheme. However, the performance was being decent for the work allotted to them under the obedience of forefathers stop passage. All employees must follow the rules and regulations with all the fellow servants and not getting land of any amount by the officers if they have fellow land or not stop. Hence, they wish for filling the annual charge by filing any credentials, and they who are not feeling well due to their economy or its falling condition stop. Whether the rich farmers who command the strict prohibition are liable to command by the companies or by the government during their press conference get received comments in spite of the bad weather or turnover stop. Since the farmers bill seems to be true as the government said, but the farmers are sad by hearing their pros and cons. So, until the farmers do not set up his production or tieable efforts because the scenes are terrible about their output stop passes. However, the condition of the farmers and employees are like mad because the government wants to keep them as made for certain purposes, although they made of normal tolerance stop. In this situation, the seller wants to get sale in the market, and the seller of the boat is bound to transfer all the food items to the sell stop. The steel companies behave like that farmers want to steal their income or other source that still going on from the production stop. In addition to this, the bill had to be revised by the government. That's why the next edition of the book based on the said bill could be presented stop passage. Hence, farmers were coerced during the period of agitation because the course of said agitation was no lengthy and due not to fix the MSP for the coarse grains stop. The farmers did not hoist the flag of their nation because if the nation does not host any country to share the agreement. Stop over.